Hey everyone, Tom Parmentier here with MaxHousePrice. I'm here in Fairfax, Virginia. We just got started on our next project here. I'm about 2 miles away from George Mason, so really excited. This is a great property and a great location. Partnered with another real estate agent and their home seller who decided to take advantage of our win-win home selling system to help them net more money at sale and sell the home really quickly. So let's come in, take a look. We've already done some work going on. Final moving out, so it's a little noisy, or maybe a little bit of chaos. So come on up. Oh, here we'll start here. Let's go downstairs real quick. And as you walk in, not doing a whole lot down here. We're just gonna be doing paint and carpet, just cleaning everything up. So there's a big rec room back here, and you can just see that we're just gonna be painting and cleaning everything up. The sellers have actually already renovated the bathroom in the basement, so we're just going to be cleaning it up, but we don't need to do anything there. It looks great. Just a new toilet seat, that's right. So if we go upstairs, again, we're going to be painting all the walls, Revere pewter, so it's kind of like a grayish beige. It's going to work really well with the floors in here. White trim, white ceilings. If you kind of come over here, you can just see, the hardwoods. We're just going to be sanding and refinishing these to just really bring them back. You can see the movers made a little nick, but no problem. We'll take care of that. Check this out of the back of the house. We got a great deck, awesome awning. It's a beautiful day out today, so it's a really great house. So if we come in and look at the rest through here, so again, refinishing all of these floors. We come into the kitchen, we're just going to be cleaning everything up. You have corian countertops and these cabinets, they're in good shape for what we're trying to do here and where we're targeting. Being that this is close to George Mason University, this is going to be totally fine. We are replacing the oven in here and then just bringing in the company to come in and clean up the grout, and then replacing the light fixture up here. If we look right here, we have a half bath on the main level. And just taking a look in here, let me turn the light in here. We're going to be painting this cabinet, replacing the countertop. You can see this faucet's fine, it just needs to be cleaned up, so we're keeping that, and then putting in a new mirror, new light fixture, so just to clean this up a little bit. And then if we go upstairs, we have 2 master bedrooms upstairs, which is really nice about this house, especially, there's a lot of people that own these properties and rent them out to college students, so they'll appreciate that. So a bedroom here just needs to be painted. We're going to be putting in new carpet, painting everything throughout here. And then we have a full bath here in the hallway. And we're actually going to be replacing this flooring, pulling out this vanity, countertop, mirror. This is going to look awesome when we're done in here. And then we have a second master bedroom right through here. So you can see second bedroom. And then it actually has a bathroom right inside the room here. The same thing here. We're going to be replacing the vanity and the top, new mirror, new light fixture. And then we have a shower in here. They've already replaced the shower door. We're just going to clean up the grout and tile. So I hope you enjoyed this little chaotic tour. If you have any questions about our win-win home selling system and how you or your clients can take advantage of that, feel free to send us a message or call or text us at 703-215-2144, and hope to talk to you soon. Thanks so much.